Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, welcome. Kindly consider subscribing if you're new, like and share this video, and don't forget to comment at the comment section down below. I'm coming live from this village of ours here in Africa, to be precise, Kenya, guys. So stay tuned as I'm going to show you how everything it is. And with me here I have this stick. It's just like it's used to control these herd of cows and beautiful goats. You know, it is a mixture of goats and small calf and also big bulls, you know, guys. So stay tuned as I'm going to show you how the typical morning routine. This needed to be done early in the morning after shamba. So we are going to release the herds, you know, of these bulls so that they can go and find green grass to graze, and also after this they wanna be watered and then just go back to the village and the stay. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you this. Bye. Yeah guys, and it's very sunny here. You can tell from my sweat. It's just sunny and very hot. We're just looking after these cows, like cows, mix of cows, bulls and calves, you know. Yeah, they're being controlled by one person, just like, you know, you can tell how they are. There's some of them far away, and I was just trying to control them, to put them together, you know. Yeah. Maybe I wanna go and control that. I wanna go and show you how everything it is. So stay tuned and come with me. Yeah, you need to look after other people's property. You know, here we're just trying to graze at this field. This is the grazing pitch, you know, where animals come, mix of animals here, you know, guys. So on the other side, those are maize plantation, and we need to be very careful while looking at this so that the cows can't break through and go and eat some maize, you know. Yeah guys, so let me know at the comment section if this is being done back at your villages or at your hometowns, guys. You know, this is just simple village boy, simple village life. We're just enjoying looking after cows. I mean, like after these animals, just very enjoying, you know. And it's very sunny here and hot, so you need to be very careful. Yeah, and for you to take it back, you need to shout at it. Hey! Hey! Yeah, that's how it's being done here in the village, guys. Yeah, just leave a sweet comment down below about this work, about this village boy. Yeah guys, so let me know in the comment section if this is being done back at your villages, and what kind of gender is being allowed to graze. Not in the Maasai, like boys are the one who, yeah, the male gender are the one who used to look after cows and other animals, while the girls cooking. But here is just like a different, you know, it's an opposite. A girl can do anything, yeah, regardless of the work, you know, guys. So my day and this is my outfit. You can tell I'm in a Maasai shoe. This is a Maasai shoe, like it's made from these, yeah, it's made from tire and some threads, you know. They are very durable because here there are some of the K apples. When I say K apples, I mean there are some of the things that are like needle-like, so they wanna pass through my leg. But so I'm using this. You can tell how it is. Just simple life, you can tell. Yeah guys, let's continue looking after these cows. Yeah. Maybe I wanna take them to the nearest, the other cows. It's just enjoying the green grass. And for those who just know that Africa is a desert, Africa is not a desert, guys. You can tell how it is. Yeah, there's some parts of the desert, but it's not a desert. Super green, you know. Yo guys, so we have come to the end of this video, and if it's your very first time, guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Just show some love to this village boy, just giving you a brief life here in the village, just simple life. You can tell how we are just looking after these beautiful herd of cows, you know. It's just amazing, and how you can tell how, you know, there's so many of them, you know, guys, and they're being taken under control of one person, you know, guys. Let me know if this is being done back here, there at your villages or at your hometowns, and what are some of the things? Are there the mixed rearing, like you can tell with me here? Some mix of cows and goats, also some sheep, you know. So guys, stay tuned. Let's meet to the next amazing content. Bye bye.